Alright guys, it's time to ride. Here I have Dnepr 16 motorcycle and lots of traffic, as you may see, and we are heading towards the Kiev and we'll take the highway. I don't like to ride the highways on this motorcycle, but anyway we can do it, so let's try. I have the full tank of fuel, I have some of the spare parts with me, but I'm still afraid to break down in the middle of the road because I don't know the engine of this motorcycle. I didn't go to it. I just did some of the makeup to this bike. We have a charity meeting today. I don't know this word in English. The house where the kids are living, abandoned kids by their parents. And we have a meeting with them today, so we're gonna just take our part in the charity, and maybe we're gonna ride them. I have a sidecar, so I'll put these kids in my sidecar and I'm gonna ride with them just for fun, not on the road of course, but just near to the house. I think I have some problems, guys. Houston, we have a problem. Maybe with the carburetor or something, I don't really know. Or maybe I just stuck. So that is how you ride on Dnepr. You don't ride on the Dnepr, Dnepr rides you. Yeah, something terrible happened, I think. Something really terrible. I just want to try to find what is there, because one cylinder stops. Very strange. I'm lucky because I'm not far away from my home. Still far away, but anyway. Dnepr 16, okay. One cylinder stops and then the other cylinder stops. What's the problem? Maybe we have the problem with fuel distribution, or maybe with the ignition, I think. Very strange, my friends. Have the fuel, we have everything. Okay, try to find the neutral gear. That's why you need... Now it's working fine. I think I need to change the motorcycle, my friends. Now it's working. I need to change the bike. I don't like it at all. Well, it's okay, but probably I need to check the fuel distribution, because one cylinder was out and then the other cylinder. So I need to get to this bridge as fast as I can, because yeah, we have some problems with fuel. I think so. Well, it's Dnepr. You don't know what happens. And I'll take my VTX, the Honda VTX, and I'm gonna ride just my Honda there. It will be more reliable. I think so. I don't like the way my Dnepr behaves here. So it's better to change it, because if I'm riding on my own, it's okay, but if we have some kind of event, it's better to be on that event. And I cannot guarantee if I'll be there on this kind of motorcycle. No, you ride, and then suddenly you lost one of the cylinders, then the engine comes down. Why? No one knows. But I'm riding. Seems like now it's working great. But what was the cause of the problem? Probably I need to check the fuel supply. I think so. Maybe fuel was blocked. Yeah, I just need to change my bike. Maybe I have some problems with carburetors, you know. They're China made. Maybe, I don't really know. But now I'm heading towards home. Home sweet home. Yeah, I wonder why that happened. You never know, because it's like a life. It's like organism, life organism, the Dnepr. But anyway, it started okay. I think we have some of the air maybe went to the fuel line or something. I don't really know. Seems like we have the fuel supply, no problems. I can see the filters are fine. They are full. Very strange. Very strange, my friends. Because, you know, but it could be quite bad, you know, my friends, because you can lose the engine in very, very dangerous situation, like on a bridge, for example, or maybe at a very loaded and crowded highway. So it can be dangerous, I think. That's why I don't like to ride on the highways. I need to test my bike. I need to test it and check it out. I need to adjust valves also. Maybe we have some problems with the ignition. I don't really know, but so far from what I see, it behaves pretty much okay. So I don't know. I have no clue why I lost the engine just on the highway. Come on, my friend, let's go. Cups. Checking the speed out. Alright, maybe I should continue with my Dnepr to that place. Tell me, guys. I think I better change this bike for better. Well, my friends, I decided to continue on this motorcycle because I checked the time and there is no any way I will be on time if I'll take my Honda, and I need to refuel it. It will take also lots of time, so probably I need to continue on this bike. The worst thing that can happen is I may lose the engine. In that case I need the evacuation. But the good thing about this is I can use evacuation, not the motorcycle evacuation, but any kind of evacuation, because with the sidecar it's like a car, like a regular vehicle, so it can stay on the ramp, etc. So I hope everything will be okay with our engine. Come on, buddy, I need you today. How to call this motorcycle, because these unique motorcycles should have their names. So write in the comments, my friends, if you of course watch my videos. My channel is not very popular, so just write what name should I use for this motorcycle. Write in the comments, how would you name it, this bike. Okay, again something wrong with my engine. Why?
Перекрашенный у вас, да?
Ну да, он уже перекрашен. Alright, it seems like I did it. Still don't know why we have 2 engine failures this day. I don't know. Maybe something wrong with the fuel, maybe something wrong with the carburetors, or maybe, well, I changed the spark plugs, there seems to be fine, or maybe spark plugs. Alright guys, the kids are ready and we also ready to go. Maybe we'll take the ride in a park. Идем. Ты следующий покатаешься. Идем, заведешь. Заведешь?
Конечно.
Давай, ключ поворачивай вот так. Ага. О, все. Теперь вот эту ножку. Сейчас, секунду. Сейчас, я тебе скажу. Давай. Да. Ну как, не? Ну-ка, подожди еще раз. Давай. Все, отпускай. Завел. Молодец. А как ты хочешь? Ты хочешь медленно? Я тебе вот тут в парке покатаю. Не переживай. Опс. Что? Сейчас мы заведемся.
Бензина нет.
Может быть.
А вы смотрели в топку? Нет.
So I don't have the fuel supply. That is why I had 2 engine failures. today. I don't know why we don't have the fuel supply here. Well, I can solve that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put the screws here. That's what I'm going to do. Will be lots of fuel. But that's the only way. So we have fuel supply right now, and that's it. So it should be working now. Готово? Fun time. Sometimes, my friends, we are doing some charity stuff like today, so we arrive to this kind of places, and also we help those kids grow up without parents and with some special stuff, special kids with some disabled, with some problems. That is why we are helping them, not just by riding, but we also donate some. We're making some donations. We are buying stuff for them, the stuff they really need, and I like it, my friends. I'm happy to participate this kind of events. Very happy.